Are you ready to go outside? Oh, you're waiting so patiently. Let's go. Those chickens are ready to get up. I hear them. Just gonna plop right in there. That's one way to do it. All right, any eggs? Oh, there's one. There's one. We got two. It's funny, the brown egg chickens seem to lay first thing in the morning, and the blue egg chickens lay later in the day. It's very interesting. All right, you ready to go? Come on, Izzy. I don't have any hands. I don't have any hands at the moment. Ah. Good morning. I'm going to bring you along on a what I eat in a day video today. The only thing I've had so far is my black coffee with some of my Keto Chow fasting drops in there. I have that usually when I first wake up in the morning, and then a little bit later I break my fast with my Athletic Greens, which is what I'm about to do right now. And I'm also starting my meal cooking because I'm gonna have to leave the house here pretty soon, so I kind of need to get everything prepared and ready to go so that I don't starve. So I'm gonna cook up some frozen burger patties, just the ground beef patties from Costco. I'm not gonna eat all 4 of these. I'll probably eat 2, just using some smoked Redmond salt on there. I also have been trying to have a serving of carnivore crisps first thing to break my fast after I have my Athletic Greens. So I'm gonna have some of that here in a minute, but I wanted to get these cooking. Girl, you slept till 9 o'clock.
Yeah, we know. I had a busy day yesterday.
Yeah.
I had hair loss yesterday. I think, what should I do? I keep forgetting where I did.
Hey, Levi. Oh. I thought you were Levi.
Kind of after the morning.
A little bit after the morning, yep.
So when we get home, it'll probably be.
Hopefully, we'll see.
3 kittens come today and my bunk bed.
I'm also mixing up my electrolytes to take with me in the car. As always, I'm doing my favorite combo of 1 scoop of the Perfect Keto Daily Electrolytes, 1 scoop of the Relight, and this is still my favorite flavor combination, black cherry and lemon lime for a cherry lemonade-ish drink.
No, cherry. I know. No.
Oh, he said he doesn't need help. He can do it by himself. Just gotta switch. Just gotta switch. There you go. Nice job. So I had my Athletic Greens, and that always knocks out my hunger so thoroughly that I'm not ready to eat right away after. So I'm about to walk out the door. I packed up my burger patties, and these are super nice because they're easy to eat in the car. It's like eating a meat cookie, just like Kelly Hogan says. So I will eat these as soon as I get hungry. It probably won't be in very long. And I also have my piece of carnivore crisp liver that I will start with when I do get hungry. What?
I'm going to a park.
You are?
Yeah, with my backpack.
Yeah.
So, like, I got all my stuff in there.
That's awesome. You're ready. You look very ready.
Yeah.
Got your shoes on?
Yeah, I got my shirt.
Your shirt? That's a good thing.
Yeah, but I don't need a jacket.
Yeah, it's not jacket weather right now. Yeah, life of a contractor's wife. I have to drive into town.
Yeah?
Yeah, and pick up some tile for my husband for one of his jobs.
And going to the pool with Dad.
Yeah, we're going to go to the pool tonight in the evening, but that'll be later. Yeah. So we're going to go pick up that.
Yeah, and also to go to a park.
Yeah, and so since we have to go over on that side of town, which is the side of town we used to live on, we're gonna go to one of our old parks that we used to go to that the kids miss. So that'll be exciting. And then we have ballet in the afternoon for Renee and Charity.
Yeah, but
So we'll take them to ballet. Then we'll come home for a little while and go swimming this evening with Dad. We're so excited.
and then Dad will come with us
I know, I can't wait.
to the park.
No, to the pool.
Oh,
Yeah, he's not coming to the park. He's coming to the pool. So we have a very busy day and we are headed out. Let's go.
yeah. But we gotta get all ready.
Yeah, we're pretty close.
Yeah, I'm only the one that's ready.
Oh man, what's everyone doing taking so long?
Yeah.
You're ready.
Yeah, but I'm not ready. But you have to get ready.
I know, I don't even have my shoes on yet.
Yeah.
Tile check. Now, probably onto a park. Perfect. Thank you.
Of course, have a good one.
You too. I got a cold brew at Starbucks. I'm trying to have coffee away from my meals, so it's been at least an hour and a half since I ate.
No.
So that's what I'm trying to do to try to...
Thank you for getting these.
Oh,
Mom.
you're welcome, sweetie. To try to enhance iron absorption, avoid having coffee with meals, although coffee doesn't hinder heme iron absorption, and most of the iron in my meal was heme iron, but anyways, just I can take all the help I can get at this point when it comes to iron absorption. I brought my own cream from home, and I'm going to enjoy this while the kids play at the park.
I want to play.
Yeah, go play, man.
Can I go play with snow? With the sand?
Sure. That's so cool. They have trucks and stuff for you to use. Levi could play in the sand with trucks all day long. It's one of his very favorite things. We're home now after a busy time running around, and I am getting ready for my second meal, but I needed to defrost some chicken wings, so that's going to be a little while, so I thought I would make a quick drink. This is very similar to Lindsay Murphy's summer drink that she shared recently, a strawberry limeade made with strawberry MCT oil powder. I'm doing it a little differently. I want to get some collagen in it, and I still had this left over from when I was experimenting with dairy-free creamers, and I just want to use it up. And I actually found that 1 scoop of this plus 1 scoop of this in a lemon lime Waterloo is amazing. Super good, amazingly refreshing on a hot summer day. So I'm going to do that. I usually put just a little bit of the seltzer water in the bottom and then add in my 2 scoops and whiz it up with my frother, and that gets it all mixed in. And then I add the ice and I add the rest of the seltzer. That helps keep some of the bubbles in the seltzer. So good. Here's what I had for dinner. I made my sticky buffalo wings that have the buffalo sauce that has allulose added, so it makes them sticky and sweet. They're so delicious. I ended up having 8 wings total with a little bit of crumbled blue cheese on the side. Hi. What are you ready for?
I'm ready to go to the pool.
Ready to go to the pool. So I ended up having 8 sticky wings. I have a recipe video for that. They're so good, very delicious, one of our favorites. Had a little bit of that crumbled blue cheese that you saw with it instead of blue cheese dressing, which is my favorite with buffalo wings. Just a little bit of blue cheese like before I take a bite. It's very good. So that was a really yummy dinner, and we are about to head to the pool. And I don't usually exercise much after dinner, so I'm not sure if I will get hungry after we go to the pool. But if I do, I will eat a little bit of something. I'm not gonna make myself go to bed hungry. So I will show you that if I end up having a snack. Otherwise, that will be it for the day. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you going to do at the pool?
I'm just going to keep my glasses on.
Not in the water.
Yeah.
You can't do that.
Yep.
Yeah. You could have your goggles.
Yeah, but I don't need any goggles.
Oh, you don't? Are you going to jump in? Jump
Yeah.
into Dad?
No, to you.
To me?
Yeah.
And are you going to wear your life jacket or have no life
I'm
jacket?
going to jump into Dad.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Are you going to have a life jacket or no life jacket this time?
I'm going to have no life jacket this
Wow.
time.
Is that because you're a big man?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
But
Checks out.
some people do this. Their
They-
glasses.
They do, yeah. And like peek over them.
yeah,
It's very funny.
yeah, sometimes I do it.
Yeah, because you're people.
We had a great family swim time. Everybody had fun and got some good exercise. I didn't end up getting hungry like I thought I might. I just had a little bit of electrolyte drink and that was all that I needed. So the way my calories and macros broke down for the day, I got 1,847 calories total, 117.5 grams of protein, and that was 27.7% of my calories, 130.3 grams of fat, and that was 69% of my calories, and 14.2 total carbs, and that came in at 3.3% of my calories. Thanks for hanging out on this What I Eat in a Day video. I hope you guys are doing great, and I will see you again in the next one.